to the class. It's really good.
Oh, I want to hear it, please.
I don't know. I'll probably make some mistakes.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning to do new things. Come on, Danny, give it a try.
Well, okay. Here goes.
Boy.
Nature's light nights. No, I mean, nature's night lights.
Oh, come on, Danny. Try it one more time.
Nature's nightlights. There are many things that light up the night sky. Most of them are stars, but the biggest one is the moon. The moon is bright at night because the light from the sun shines on it. There are lots and lots of stars in the sky. That's why they look so bright. So thanks to the moon and stars, the night sky is never totally dark. There's always a nightlight shining through.
That was stupendous.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for your help.
You know what? I like these shiny stars.
Here you go, Baby Bop. I made